Good afternoon, students. I hope you are well. So, I hope you have studied the previous lessons. Today, we will continue more questions about chapter 19 because it is very important. Okay, so this is lesson number 9, questions about chapter 19. Okay, so let's continue now. Okay, the chapter is, of course, oxidation, reduction, reactions. Okay, oxidation, reduction, reactions. Now, part 1, of course, you know it is multiple choice. So, question 1. In the reaction, you see here, 2K plus Br2 yields 2K plus 2Br minus. Which species is reduced? He means which element here, or which element is reduced. Okay, this means a reduction process happened on it. So how can you know? It's obvious. A reduction process, so this means the oxidation number has decreased. So you can see here potassium from 0 to plus. Potassium, because pure element, it is 0. It became ion, so oxidation number has increased. So it is obvious it is Br2 only. So the answer is B. Br2 only. From, you see, Br2, the oxidation number is 0 to 2Br minus. Okay, so the oxidation number has decreased. So it is reduction. The answer is B. Okay. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of disproportionation? So, we took this before. Disproportionation, it is the same element or compound acts as a reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Okay, so the same process happens on it. Okay, so it's obvious here the answer is A, this one. Okay, you can see here. So let's continue. Now, question 3. Now, in the silver half reaction, you see here, so this one yields Ag solid. They forgot the arrow, okay? Silver ions change into silver solid because they are, so what happens? You can see obvious. Now, imagine there is an arrow here, yields Ag solid, silver solid. So what happens here? Gaining of electrons. So it is reduction. So what happened to the silver ions? They are reduced. So the answer is B. Okay, now question 4. In the oxidation reduction reaction, H2O plus 2MnO2 plus Zn yields Mn2O3 plus ZnOH2. Okay, the half reaction of the zinc is, okay, the half reaction for the zinc. So remember, we write the Zn yields ZnOH by 2. Then we balance first. Do you remember? Then we balance the first we balance the atoms, then we balance the charge. So after that you will get the result is C. Okay, the result is C. Number 4, the result is C. So let's continue now. Okay, question number 5. It's important now. Consider the two half reactions below. So these are half reactions. The reactant lead, you see here, lead Pb, is what? What happened to it? Just A, oxidized in both, or reduced in both, disproportionated in both, oxidized in one and reduced in two. Now you can see, let's see one. From Pb plus HSO4 minus, it yields here PbSO4 minus. So it's obvious here, Pb, pure element 0. Now what happened here? It bonded with the SO4 minus, okay, here. So it became, now you can see if you calculate the oxidation number for oxygen, it is minus 2 multiply 4 minus 8. So now, but the sum of the whole charge is 0. So minus 8 here, so it is obvious. Plus 4 here, plus 4 here. So it will be, look, from 0 to plus. The oxidation number has increased. So it is what? Oxidation. Okay, so oxidation. Now in the second one, PbO2 yields PbSO4. Okay, so now what happened here? Okay, you can see O2. So for each oxygen, the oxidation number is minus 2. Multiply 2, so it will be minus 4. So Pb here is plus 4. Then here what happened? Okay, it is plus 2, like this one, plus 2. So from plus 4 to plus 2, the oxidation number has decreased. So it is reduction. So the answer, okay, on the first one is oxidized, on the second one it was reduced. So the answer is D. Oxidized in one and reduced in two. Okay, the answer is D. So let's continue to the next one. Question 6. Now, in the reaction, Zn plus CuSO4 yields Cu plus ZnSO4. So what happened here? Cu is oxidized and Zn2 plus is reduced, or B, Cu is reduced and Zn2 plus is oxidized, or C or D. So which one do you think? I will give you a second to think, then I will answer. Now you can see here, so Zn from pure element to, so it was bonded, so it became okay here. So from 0 now 2 plus, the oxidation number has increased. The oxidation number has increased. So Zn was oxidized. Okay, Zn was oxidized. What about the Cu? From it was bonded with another element to pure. So the oxidation number from plus to 0. So it has reduced. So from here, the oxidation number you can calculate. Okay, it's 2 plus. So the answer is D. Cu2 plus is reduced. Okay, and Zn what is oxidized? Zn is oxidized. So the answer is D. Okay. Now question number 7. Okay. During redox reactions, reducing agents. Now, what happens to the reducing agents? Remember, the reducing agent is the element or the compound that an oxidation process happens on it. So what happens in oxidation? The oxidation number increases. So for example, from 0 to more plus, to plus 2 or plus 3. So this means what? The answer is B. Attain a more positive oxidation state. Do you see? So it will have, the element or the compound will have a more positive oxidation state. It has transferred from 0 to plus 2. Okay? Or the oxidation number has increased. Excuse me. So this is what a reducing agent. An oxidation process happened on it. So 7, the answer is B. So let's continue, everyone. Now, 8. The stronger oxidizing agent of two elements will usually be what? So we said the stronger oxidizing agent. So you have two elements or compounds in a reaction. One of them is a stronger oxidizing agent than the other. So what will happen on it? The stronger oxidizing agent. What will happen on it? You will have a reduction process. Okay? You will have the reduction process on it. Okay? So it will be what? It will be what? The answer will be, okay? It will be reduced. A reduction process happens on it. Okay, so 8, the answer is B. Now, question number 9. In a reduction reaction, the oxidation number becomes more negative due to what? Due to what? Loss of electrons, gain of electrons, disproportionation, or addition of OH minus ions. What do you think here? The oxidation number becomes more negative. It is obvious. Come on, think. The answer is because, okay, reduction. A reduction process happens. So, gaining of electrons. 9B. Okay, so these are more questions for chapter 19. It is very important. So, this is the end of our lesson.